Guys, there's a gist behind this yogurt starter that I made. So I went to the market, I went to shopping mall to look for yogurt starter, and I just forgot that I stay in a village and we don't have lights often. So I couldn't even get the yogurt starter or culture because how was I going to preserve it? I needed to find an alternative. And then most of the videos I saw were how to make yogurt starter with lemon. So I decided to try lime to see if it would give me the same feeling and taste. So I got lime from the nearby markets because it is something that I can get anytime, any day. And I decided to make my culture and starter with lime. So I know most of you have not seen videos of making yogurt starter or culture with lime. So this is a video on how to make it with lime. So first of all, I had to get my milk. For this recipe, I am using cowbell milk. Yes, I want that creamy taste. You can use any milk of your choice. So I'm using cowbell powdered milk. I added 2 tablespoons of cowbell powder milk into my pan and I added a little water. Then I'm going to stir this until it begins to simmer. You're not going to allow it to boil. You just want it to simmer up a bit and then you put off your stove. So I'll keep stirring this. Please don't stop stirring so that lumps and does not form and it does not burn. I was not sure lime was going to work for this yogurt starter, but there's no harm in trying for a first time. So that's what I am doing. So when this milk has simmered up, I'm going to allow it to cool down. While it's cooling down, I'm going to slice my lime into different parts. Like I just made it like into 5 parts or so. So when I'm done, I place it inside the milk, then cover it up. I'm using a stainless flask because I want it to retain its warmness for some time and you know not evaporate too. So I'll put it into the stainless flask, cover it up, then use a towel to wrap it and then place it in a warm place. So I placed this inside my cupboard for the next 24 hours and then I came back and the outcome was wow. Lime actually worked for this. Before placing your lime, you dip your finger to check if it's still warm or if it's hot. You don't want to put this lime when it is hot. You want to put it when it is warm. So I placed them bit by bit and covered it up. This is the next day. I am back from work and I want to check it. Guys, I just had to pray. This is the outcome, guys. It formed. It actually worked. You can see that clusters. That is what we are looking for. That is what will help us get that thing we want from our yogurt. Is what will help us make the yogurt. So I'm going to remove the lime from inside it, and this is my starter. You can go ahead and make your yogurt with this starter. You don't want to do this in a large quantity because when I tasted this, it was quite, I got that sour taste from the lime. That's why it's going to serve as a base for our yogurts. It's going to serve as a starter for our yogurts. Till next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.